Hi guys, if your GE Dishwasher is stuck, if it is showing you errors or the buttons aren't responding, a hard reset can definitely fix it. So in this video, you are going to learn how you can reset it properly and restore the normal operation. So in order to reset it, the very first option that you have is of turning off your dishwasher from the circuit breaker, then unplug it if accessible. After that, you need to leave off it for about 3 to 5 minutes, then restore the power. This is going to reset the electronic control board and it will also clear the temporary faults. Now you need to turn the dishwasher back on and simply press this start/reset button once. Simply close the door and wait for the unit to begin a short drain cycle. This is going to clear any stuck or incomplete wash cycle. If the touch panel is unresponsive, you can also press and hold the start plus select cycle buttons together for a few seconds. On some models, holding the start button alone is going to work, and this forces a control panel reset without cutting the power again. So that's how you can reset it. Thank you.